Good morning students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class we are going to continue exercise 6.2. In this exercise we will be adding two integers or adding three integers without using the number lines. Okay children? I hope you all have taken page number 28 and see your fourth problem. From fourth problem we are going to discuss today. Find the sum of A 137 and minus 354. Okay, we are going to add two integers. As usual, what we will be doing? We will be adding. If it is the same sign, you will add and put the same sign. If it is a different sign, you will subtract and put the greater number sign. The same way we are going to do this. We are going to find the sum of 137 means Abhiul, right? Plus 137 sum of minus 354. Is it correct? Because I am going to add my this 137 and minus 354. Okay, whether both have same sign? No. What you will do then? You will subtract it. 354 minus 137. 712. 217 is the answer. So 217. So which is a greater number sign? The greater number here 354. So what is the sign of 354? Minus. So minus 217 is your answer. Okay. Next B problem. Minus 52 and 52. So what you will do? Minus 52 plus 52. We are going to add minus 52 and plus 52. Okay. So both have same sign? No. Appo what you will do? You will subtract it. 52 minus 52 is 0. So 0 don't want any symbol. Plus 0 also, minus 0 also. It is 0 only. Okay. See. 52 same sign as have different signs. Minus 52 is there, plus 52 is there. So both are different signs. So what you will do? You will subtract it. 52 minus 52 is 0. So answer is 0. Okay. Next C option, C subdivision. Minus 312, 39 and 192. These are the three problems, three things where you have to add it. So shall we add it? Minus 312 plus 39, because only 39 means what is the meaning? Plus 39 sum of plus 192. Okay. So see, minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. Actually, these two have same sign. So, what you will do? Same sign things and all, we can do it first. Okay. So, I am going to add these two first. These two have a same sign. So, what you will do? You will add it. So, 192 plus 39, 11, 13, 1, 213. So, minus 312 plus 231, because 231 is the answer. What is the sign you will put? You will put the plus sign, because both have plus sign. See, I have added these two first because these two have same sign. So, I have added both the values 231 and put the same sign. Now, minus 312 and plus 231. Both are different signs. So, what you will do? You will subtract it. 312 and 231. I am going to subtract it. 1, 2, 1, 8, 81. So, answer is 81. So, which is a greater number, 312 or 231? 312. So, what is the sign of 312? Minus 81. So, answer is what? Minus 81. First, I have done these two answers first and I found the answer. Then, using that, I have subtracted these two. Find the answer as minus 81. Okay. So, you can just you can verify it and see, no problem, children. Okay. Now, next, minus 50, minus 200 and 300. So, minus 50 minus 200 plus 300. Okay, minus 50 minus 200 plus 300. See, these two have a same sign, is it? These two have same sign, is it correct? Yes, minus 50 minus 200. So what you will do? Add it. 50 plus 200, 250, and put the same sign. What is the sign of minus 50 and minus 200? Minus. Above minus 250 plus 300. Is it correct? I have done these two first. Why? These two have same sign. These two have different sign. That's why I made it at last. See here, minus plus. But what you will do? You will subtract it. 300, 250. Answer is 50. Is it? What is your greater number? 250 or 300? 300. What is the sign of 300? Plus. Answer is plus 50. Okay, so answer is plus 50. Understood? First, if it is a 3 numbers, take the signs which you have same signs. So you do that first, and with that answer you do the last one. Okay, it will be very easy if you do like this. Okay, children. Next is your fifth problem. Okay, the fifth problem also the same type of problem. Now we are going to find the sum of this subdivision. Okay, see from the question itself, these two have same sign, minus 7 minus 9. These two have same sign, plus 4 plus 16. So what we will do? We will do the same sign first together. Same sign, what you will do? You will add it. So first we can add these two. 9 plus 7, 16. What is the sign you will put? Minus 16. Plus 4 plus 16, because plus 4 plus 16 only know the meaning. Only 4 is given. What is the meaning, children? Plus 4. Only 16 is given if it is a meaning. Plus 16. 4 plus 16, 20. So 20 means plus 20. Is it? So how can we write this? Minus 16 plus 20. Can we write like this? Yes, because 20 means plus 20 is the meaning. So here minus, here plus. So different signs. What you will do? You will subtract it. So 20 minus 16 is 4. So what is the greater number? 16 or 20? 20. So what is the sign of 20? Plus. So answer is plus 4. So answer is what, children? Plus 4. Okay. So what you are doing is same sign and all you can do it together, which means you can add it and put the same sign and keep it as such. Then what you are doing is you can subtract the different signs and put the greater number sign. Okay. Next, B subdivision. In this, listen, this one and this one, these three are same sign. So can we add it all the three together? Yes. So 37 you can keep 37, you can write plus 37. Okay. Plus, see, all the three are same sign. So 2 plus 65, 67. 67 plus 8, 15, 175. So minus 75. I have added all the three values together. Why? Because all three have same signs. Minus 2, minus 65, minus 8. All the three have minus sign. So 2 plus 65, 67. 60 plus 7 plus 8, 75. Now both which is the sign you will put? Minus sign. Minus 75. 37, 75 have different signs. So what you will do? Subtraction. 38. So what is the answer? 38. What is the greater number here? 75. What is the sign of 75? Minus. The answer is minus 38. Okay. This is very, very important and you should concentrate and do this. Okay. It is very important, children. Next topic which we are going to deal is about subtraction of integers. Okay, next topic we are going to deal is subtraction of integers. So before going to the subtraction, if you learn these rules and regulations, it will be easy when you deal with the subtractions. Okay, so before going to that, we are going to deal with multiplication of integers. Okay, multiplication of integers, if you learn, it will be easy to do the subtraction of integers. Okay, when we multiply two positive integers, we should get the answer as positive integer. Okay, which means plus into plus is plus. Okay, when you multiply two positive integer, answer will be a positive integer. Okay, next, when you multiply a positive and a negative integer, I will get the answer as negative integer. Okay, when I multiply a positive and a negative integer, my answer will be a negative integer. Next, when I multiply negative and a positive integer, my answer will be a negative integer. Okay, when I multiply negative and a positive integer, my answer will be a negative integer. Next, when I multiply negative and a negative integer, my answer will be a positive integer. Wait, I will explain you using the example. Okay, so this is what the rules of the multiplication. So once you learn the multiplication of integers, the subtraction of integers will be very easy. Okay, see, plus 5 into minus 3, so plus 5 into plus 3. So, or you can write 5 into 3. 5 is also a positive integer, 3 is also a positive integer. When I multiply two positive integers, 5 3s are 15. So, 5 3s are 15 or plus 15 you can write it. Okay. So, when you multiply two positive integer, answer will be a positive integer. Next, minus 2 into 3. See, when I multiply negative integer, minus 2 is one negative integer, 3 is one positive integer. When I multiply a negative integer and a positive integer, my answer will be, first what you will do now, 2 3s are 6. You write multiplication as such. Then you should put the minus sign, because minus into plus what? Minus. But minus into plus minus. Did you understand? This is how you should do it. Next, 7 into minus 4. 7 into minus 4. First, as usual, what I told you, you multiply the answer and keep it. 7 4s are 28. Now, plus into minus is what? Minus. Apo, plus into minus, minus. Did you understand? Next, minus 3 into minus 3. So, as usual, 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus, plus. Apo, minus into minus, plus. Okay, so this is what the rules of multiplication of integers. If you know the multiplication of integers clearly, you can deal with the subtraction of integers. Okay, because subtraction, if you it is actually a reverse of the addition, but if you learn like that, you will really get confused. So this way, multiplication rules, if you learn, it will be very easy. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. So this is what, when you are multiplying two positive integers, you will get a positive integer. When you multiply a positive and a negative integer, the answer will be a negative integer. Negative and a positive integer, if you multiply, answer will be a negative integer. Negative and a negative integer, if you multiply, you will get the answer as positive integer. So this is what your multiplication of integers. I have given you the examples. Okay, we are going to deal with our example number 7. Okay, example number 7, children. What is the question given? You can take page number 130 for this example number 7. Find the value of minus 8 minus 10, which means we are going to find the value of the subtraction of two integers. What are the two integers here? Minus 8 is one integer, minus 10 is one integer. I am going to subtract two integers. Okay, so instead of doing the subtraction like a reverse of addition, I already told you one method, minus 8 minus 10. Actually, what is the meaning of brackets? Brackets means multiplication. Okay, bracket means what, children? It is a multiplication. So instead of minus 8, instead of this bracket it is a multiplication. Okay, appo minus into minus plus 10. Okay, did you understand? Minus 8 minus into minus plus 10. So now it will be easy for us to do the calculation. So now I am just drawing the number line, children. Now what we have to find the value of the value of this by using the number line. So first what integer is given? Minus 8. So first you will be in 0. Minus 8 means you will go here, right? Left side you will go. From 0 you will move towards the left side to minus 8. From there plus 10. Appo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from here 10. So you will reach 2. Answer is what? Plus 2. Okay, answer is what, children? Plus 2. As usual, number line calculation only. The only thing is, since they have given minus subtraction here is a bracket. So minus into minus plus it will be. So now as usual, minus 8 left side, then plus 10 right side 10 digit. So you got the answer for this question. The same way you have to follow that. Okay. Example number 8. What is the question? Subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So what is the question? Subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So minus 10 subtract. So now what we have done? We have subtracted minus 4 from minus 10. Okay. Listen, children. Subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So minus 10 should be written first. Minus 4. Okay, minus 4 is an integer. Subtract is this symbol. Don't get confused. Okay, minus 10 minus 4. Okay, now as usual, if see minus 10 minus bracket means what? Multiplication. Minus into minus plus 4. Okay, minus into minus what? Plus 4. So minus 10 minus 4. Now see, minus 10 minus 4 means what, children? They have used different signs, right? They have used different signs. So what you should do? You should subtract it. 10 minus 4 is 6 and put the greater number sign. What is your greater number? 10. What is the sign of 10? Minus. Appa minus 6 is your answer. Listen. Subtract minus 10 subtract minus 4 from minus 10 you will write minus 10 first, subtraction minus 4. So minus into minus plus, minus 10 as such. This is minus, this is plus, so different sign subtracted and put the greater number sign. So answer is minus 6. Understood? Next is your ninth problem. Example number 9. Okay, subtract plus 3 from minus 3. First this should be written, right? Minus 3 subtraction plus 3. Okay, subtract plus 3 from minus 3. Minus 3 first, subtraction plus 3. Now minus 3 as such, plus into minus, because bracket is a multiplication. So minus into plus. Okay, minus into plus means minus 3. Now both are same sign. So what you will do? Add it. 3 plus 3 6 and put the same sign. What is the same sign here? Minus. So minus 6 is your answer. Listen, children. Minus into plus, minus, same sign. Minus 3 both are same signs. So put added 3 plus 3 6 and put the same sign. Understood, children? Today's class we have continued exercise 6.2 where we will be dealing with the addition of integers. Then next topic is about the subtraction of integers. Before going to the subtraction, we have discussed the multiplication of integers. Using that rule, we have solved the subtraction problems. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.